I'm Mini Cakes. Today I will show you how to make gummy straps. It is very easy and yummy. What you need is 1 pack of jelly crystals and 4 tablespoons of gelatin powder. You need a half cup of boiling water too. You can use any jelly crystals. Next time I will try the green one. This is how we make. In a mixing bowl, put gelatin powder and boiling water. And mix, mix, mix. Add jelly crystals and mix, mix, mix. Pour the mixture to a container. And spread. Hurry, it's set soon! Leave it for 10 minutes. Peel it off from the container. It's so satisfying to do. It's so wobbly, just like slime. Cut it with kitchen scissors. You can eat it as it is or roll it like I did. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe and drop a like.